day. We're having a beach workout today. We're here with some friends. It's gonna be fun all the way. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Have fun. Ciao. Energy. Pulled myself out from the crowd so I could experience this alone. Such an experience walking out in the beach. I'm almost done with my jump squatting, and we were divided into two groups, Team Ginger and Team Energy. And guess what? Which team do you think is going to win this game? I think Team Ginger, of course. So here we go. And this is Team Ginger and Team Energy. We are lined up for the next game. We are going to go through some obstacles, running through 1, 2, 3, 4 obstacles first to get to the point and back. And here, that's Team Ginger. Team Ginger is going obstacle 2. Team Ginger is leading. Team Ginger obstacle 3. Team Ginger is leading. Team Ginger, Team Energy is lacking behind. Yeah, obstacle 4. Team Ginger is there. Oh, Team Ginger all the way. Team Ginger won. Of course, who do you think was gonna win? Team Ginger. And this is the next obstacle. Team Ginger is already going. She's leading. Team Ginger, Team Ginger. Oh, and Team Ginger won. And this is the tug of war. This was very intense. Team Ginger is leading. We are pulling. Team Ginger is pulling and pulling. We are not giving up. Team Ginger is pulling. Team Energy is pulling. And guess what? We almost won and we got disqualified. I don't really know what happened. We got disqualified and we had to restart the whole process from the beginning. It was fun. It was intense, and here we go again. Get ready for the second tug of war. So here we go. Team Ginger is pulling. Team Energy is pulling. Team Ginger going, pulling. We're not giving up. Team Energy is pulling. And Team Ginger is giving up. Oh no, Team Ginger and Team Energy won. Well, sometimes you lose and sometimes you win. This is the last game of the day. We are passing the plate round. By the way, it's 20 kg. When you pass round, you go from the beginning and at the end of the day. This is the fun part. We had to dance and we danced off. It was really fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, comment, like, thumbs up, and please put on your post notifications so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first one to see it. Thank you. Bye.